guys, ito po assignment. Here. Okay, so tapos tayo guys. Okay, sabi na tayo. Guys, ano po yung pagpipilian? Sasabihin ko po yung number 1, the muscular system. Number 1, provides mass shape to the body. Number 2, allows the body to make movements. Number 3, the specific type of muscles that makes up the heart. Number 4, muscles type found in internal organs. Number 5, essential for muscles health and repair. Ito po yung pagpipilian. A, smooth muscles. B, cardiac muscles. C, proper care. D, movement. And E, muscular system. Pwede niyo po ba sabihin yung sagot? Hindi po namin sabihin yung sagot. Hindi po namin alam. Tulungan niyo po kami. Bye-bye po. Comment niyo po sa comment section. Okay, bye!